And it's time for Smart Money. Let's check in with our Fox 40 financial analyst, Keith Springer, who's keeping an eye on the markets for us. And Keith, we've been trading for about 15 minutes. Any word on how the markets are doing this morning?
You know, we got a little bump up this morning. We had some positive news from China. China's manufacturing capacity seemed to rise up. That gives a lot of belief that maybe we can pull out of this recession. Remember, China is the factory of the world. So if China makes more goods and services, it means there's more demand. So hopefully this worldwide recession might be coming to an end if they can just make more stuff.
Yeah, when I'm sure we'll buy it from them. Hey, I was surprised to see Chrysler had a real good, was it quarter or month here? I mean, I didn't have a perception that they were gangbusters selling cars, but apparently things are going pretty well for them.
You know, the Fed action on low interest rates is really doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's getting people out there to spend money and borrowing money. Savings rate is going down, but people are borrowing to buy cars. The housing sector has been picking up, a little bit uptick the last year or so. So low interest rates is really pushing people to do it. Replacement, remember, cars only last 4 or 5 years, on average, and people do replace them. So we are seeing some uptick there, and factory orders are looking a little bit better. So all this Fed stimulus may be costing a lot of money in the debt and deficit years down the road, but it is doing what it's supposed to be doing today and getting people out there to borrow with low interest rates and hopefully buy more things and goods and services out in the economy.
And speaking of the housing market, it looks like Walmart could be getting into the mortgage business.
You know, are you ready to buy a Walmart mortgage? I don't know if I am, but a third of consumers said that they are. A lot of people said that they would buy the cheapest mortgage wherever they could get it, which means they would go to Walmart. They also said they would buy one from PayPal. So the allegiance to banks seems to be going away, and really just the consumer looking for the best deal is what's most important right now.
Well, I don't know. I mean, Walmart has that discount reputation, but people need to realize what a behemoth it is. I mean, if 10% of all retail sales in this country go through Walmart, they've got the financial strength to back up a lot of mortgages.
They do. They've got a huge amount. They could be their own bank if they wanted to. A lot of people, a lot of banks probably are trembling at the fact that they could get into this market. So it could make a difference, and we could all be Walmart greeters pretty soon.
I wonder, do you get a discount on your rate if you work the greeter job for a little while? I would have no problem with a Walmart mortgage. I don't know about everybody else. Keith, it's always a pleasure talking to you. We appreciate your insights. We'll catch you tomorrow, okay?
Thank you.
You betcha. And if you have any questions for Keith Springer, you can send them to money@fox40.com. You can call him up at 925-8900. Or, you know what? Go to his website. It's keithspringer.com and sign up for his weekly newsletter. It's always interesting.
And now